Hello children, welcome for today's biology class. So today we are going to continue the chapter respiration in plants. The topics going to be covered are tricarboxylic acid cycle, that is Krebs cycle. It can be called as citric acid cycle also. So now let us go inside the chapter. So aerobic respiration, it takes place in mitochondria. So the events during aerobic respiration are the complete oxidation of pyruvate. It occurs step by step by removal of hydrogen atoms and leaving carbon dioxide. This takes place in the matrix of mitochondria. Then later in the inner membrane of mitochondria, so here the electrons are passed in a chain-like manner and results in the synthesis of ATP. So ultimately at the end of aerobic respiration, the ATP molecules are produced. So here in the first step, we are going to study regarding Krebs cycle. So here the pyruvic acid, first step of Krebs cycle, pyruvic acid, so along with coenzyme A and NAD plus converted into acetyl coenzyme A. And the acetyl coenzyme A, it enters inside Krebs cycle. Okay, so here one molecule of carbon dioxide and NADH production also occurs. So it occurs in presence of the enzyme pyruvate dehydrogenase and Mg plus, that is also needed. So these are the steps in tricarboxylic acid cycle or Krebs cycle. So this one you have to practice, children, this flow diagram. It is repeatedly asked question in your exams. This is the first step what we studied. This pyruvate in presence of, can you see here, coenzyme A, it has been converted into acetyl coenzyme A. So here NAD is converted into NADH, along with that one molecule of carbon dioxide is released. This is the previous step what we studied. So pyruvate is 3 carbon compound and it is converted into 2 carbon compound, that is acetyl coenzyme A, and that enters inside the citric acid cycle. So here in the case of citric acid cycle, that oxaloacetic acid, that is OAA, 4 carbon compound along with the 2 carbon compound, it has been converted into the 6 carbon compound, that is citric acid, and the citric acid is 6 carbon compound, 4 plus 2 equal to 6. And later in the next step, citric acid, by removal of one molecule of carbon dioxide, it has been converted into alpha ketoglutaric acid. This alpha ketoglutaric acid is 5 carbon compound. So 6 minus 1 carbon, it has been converted into 5 carbon compound. So here also NAD is converted into NADH. And later once again one molecule of carbon dioxide is released here, and the alpha ketoglutaric acid is converted into succinic acid. Succinic acid is 4 carbon compound. Okay, so here also one molecule of carbon dioxide is released and NADH to NAD plus occurs. And here one GDP is converted into GTP. So energy production also occurs. Diphosphate is converted into triphosphate. And succinic acid is converted into malic acid. So here one FAD, it has been converted into FADH2. This is also 4 carbon, this is also 4 carbon, and later this malic acid, once again it has been converted into oxaloacetic acid. Here also one NADH production occurs. These numbers and all count, children, because this one it is important later, so it will be studied in electron transport chain and all. Okay, so here the first step, here one molecule of carbon dioxide released, and second step 4 plus 2, 6 carbon compound, and 6 minus 1 carbon dioxide is removed, 5 carbon compound, and from this one molecule of carbon dioxide once again released, converted into 4 carbon compound succinic acid, and later it has been converted into malic acid, succinic acid to malic acid to oxaloacetic acid. These are the steps involved in this tricarboxylic acid cycle or Krebs cycle. So this one only it has been written here, children, nothing else, whatever we studied only it is written here. So these are the steps, how does it occur? Step by step what I explained only, it has been given in the form of equation, pyruvic acid, NAD, FAD, along with that water molecules also used, ADP and plus pyrophosphate, and results in the production of carbon dioxide. We have seen 3 carbon dioxide molecule it has been released, and results in the production of 4 NADH and 1 FADH2 and ATP production occurs. This all steps now it occurs in mitochondrial matrix. Okay, study thoroughly this flow diagram. So no need to study the explanation. If you study the flow diagram, easily you can explain on your own also. So practice the diagram, children. We will meet in the next class. Thank you.